Some numerical problems on narrow rectangle, torsion of narrow rectangular section, narrow rectangular section. Find the problem number 1. Find the value of t. T means torsion of the section given t is equal to 5 mm and tau max, not t max, tau max not greater than 1000 kg per centimeter square. You can take this one in Newton per millimeter square, there is no problem. Okay, and now this is the section. This section is reduced to this section. There is no problem. This is 2A total. This is 2A and this is 2B. So 2B is equal to T and 2A is equal to 10T plus 70. So that is 17T. T is 5. So 17 into 5 is equal to 2A. And this is T is equal to 5 mm is equal to 2B. Okay. So it is, but the rest of one is very simple. I will show you. Now this is the formula. Tau max is equal to 3t by 8ab square. Okay. Now ab we know, and so t must be greater than equal to, and this tau max is not greater than 1000 kg per centimeter square. So t from here, t not greater than, okay. Now we are putting the value of a and b, and we will be getting the tau not greater than 2833.3 kg centimeter. So tau not greater than by 4, this is by 4 is equal to 708.33 kg centimeter. So we have found out the tau. It is not greater than, so you can take 700 kg per centimeter square. Number two problem is this section. You see, of course, this is handwritten. So this is all over T is the thickness. This section is okay. Now this section dm is the mean diameter. Mean diameter is 11t. So this is pi dm. This is equal to 2a. dm is equal to 11t. T this one. Now we have taken that this is given t is equal to 5 millimeter and tau is given this one. Tau is not greater than this one. So we can find out AB. A is this. Okay. We put the formula. Tau max. Okay. Tau not greater than 1440 kg centimeter. So tau not greater than 1440 kg centimeter. So tau is found out. Number 3. when welding is done of this section, this there is a cut here, a small cut. If it welded is here, then this will be this one. Now this is not a formula for the narrow rectangle, but this is a hollow cell of internal diameter 10t, and outside diameter 12t. So beta is equal to di by d naught. That is, this formula is well known. This is 16t by hollow shaft, 16t by pi dq, d naught q into 1 minus beta to the power fourth. This we have done it earlier. So this is less than equal to this. So t greater than equal to 21958 kg centimeter, not greater than. So you understand how much it has increased. Number now this is a very important. I will tell you, this is when I was a student of final year, I did this writing. This is number 4 problem. Closed coil spring section A is equal to B is equal to 5 mm, mean diameter dm of the coil is equal to 10A. When a load P is applied axially, prove that the twisting moment is P into dm by 2 if tau max greater than 1000 kg, not greater than 1000 kg per centimeter square. What maximum load P can sustain P can sustain. Okay. Find the location of the maximum shear stress. Okay. Now this is P and this is the spring and this is the radius and R is the mean radius, is equal to dm by 2 is equal to dm by 2. Okay, this is the section. This is a square section. A is equal to B is equal to 5. So this is 2A, this is 2B. B by A is equal to 1 in this case. Okay. So tau max is equal to T by K2 into 2A whole square into 2B. Now K2 from the table you can get B by A is equal to 1 square. So this is the K2 value. Now we can T by this into this greater than not greater than 1000. So T not greater than 208 kg centimeter. Okay. So P into dm by 2 not greater than 208. So P not greater than this. So this Okay, this is equal to, so P not greater than 83.2 kg. So this P maximum will be 83.2 kg. Okay, now P allowable, we take it as a 80 kg. This is 83, we take it allowable is 80 kg. Now how to find out that this is equal to, this is the torque, how to find out? Now you see, this is the P, okay, this is the coil, so this is the radius R, so P into R is the torque, so that is the R is equal to dm by 2, so P into dm by 2, okay. For all, for this is for the remembering, for rectangle general, you can remember this formula like this: tau max is equal to T by K2 into molar size whole square into bigger size, okay, rectangle. T is equal to G theta into molar size whole cube into bigger size into K1, okay. Now for square 1 is equal to this, I have already done in the other video, and for infinity is a narrow, so this is this one 0.333, 0.333, this is actually 1/3, okay, okay.